In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import inventory items into Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your inventory import is smooth and successful. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is the main hub where you manage all aspects of your financial data, and from here you can easily get started with importing items. Once you're in your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Look for the Items option. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can view and manage your current inventory. With that page open, your next step is to locate the More Actions button. This button is usually found near the top of the page. Give it a click, and a drop-down list of additional options will appear. Here, select Import Items. This option is your gateway to bringing external inventory data into your Zoho Books account. After selecting Import Items, you'll be guided to another page specifically designed for the import process. The next thing you'll want to do is click on the Choose File button. Here you can select the appropriate inventory file that you have previously prepared on your computer. Ensure that it's formatted correctly as per Zoho Books specifications, usually in a CSV or Excel format. Once chosen, the system will begin uploading the file, so give it a moment to complete this process. Now, with your file uploaded, you'll notice a Next button appearing on the screen, an invitation to move forward in the process. Click Next. Review the data mapping page to ensure that all your data is aligning correctly with Zoho Books fields. This is where attention to detail is crucial. Verify that each column from your file matches the corresponding field in Zoho. If everything looks good, click Next once more to continue. Finally, you'll arrive at the last step. This is where you get a final overview of the import details. Double-check everything to ensure it's accurate, and when you're ready, hit the Import button. Zoho Books will process the import, integrating your new inventory items. You should receive a confirmation once the import is successful, signaling that your inventory has been updated. And that's it! You've successfully imported inventory items into Zoho Books. Remember, regularly updating your inventory ensures that your financial records remain accurate and reliable, aiding better decision-making for your business. If you have any further questions or need help with any other features, feel free to explore more of our how-to guides. Thank you for watching and happy managing. Happy.